So how to transfer money in Santander to another bank account. So to transfer money on Santander through the app, you'll just want to simply click on Pay and Transfer right here. Then once you've done that, you just need to select Pay. Then once you've selected Pay, you'll just want to select the account that you want to send the money from. Now, if it's your first time transferring with your Santander bank account, you may not have any payees set yet. So in order to transfer money to another bank, you're going to need to set up a payee for them. So once you've done that, you just need to set up the sort code and account number of where you're transferring the money to. Then once you've entered the bank details, you can go ahead and check it right at the bottom. Then once you're through to that, you'll then need to enter the amount that you wish to transfer. So for the example of this video, let's say £10. And then you'll need to select the payment reason at the bottom. So right here, we'll say transferring to our own account. Then finally, on the next page, you'll just want to go ahead and authorize the payment. And then once you've done that, there are a couple more pages, mostly just authorization. So if you're happy to continue, keep clicking through. And then next up, you'll be asked to confirm your phone number attached to your account. And if you confirm that, you'll just need to enter your security number. Then finally, to authorize the payment, you just need to enter the one-time passcode that Santander sent over. And then once you've done that, you've successfully transferred money on Santander via the app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.